friends, it's Sonia Miller. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome, hello to you out there. Got another fun project planned for us today. Let me know below if you enjoy these daily videos. I'm showing you what I'm working on here at Junk Monkey Paint Studio and hopefully bringing you lots of ideas. Ideas? Like what to do with this sort of thing. So I found these this week. They're clunky, they're worn, but I know we can make them shabby beautiful. Today, I want to open your mind to incorporating some pattern on the things that you're working on. So one thing that happens when things are dark, deep colors, they can appear to be heavier, chunkier, bigger, just meatier, and I want to show you that through the power of paint, we can change an entire feel of a piece. We're going to put these in a light, flowy, spring-like dress and incorporate some pattern and totally change the look of them. Color I'm choosing to play with today, because baby, that's what we're doing. We're playing with paint on this channel, is a gorgeous, it's called Mocha Madness. It's our chalky style paint. Of course, it sticks to pretty much anything under the sun. Just grab a brush and go bananas. All you need is a project. This is just a beautiful, what I would call like warm, creamy beige color. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Like, love it. While I love to find stencils of things like roosters and flowers and all those things, I also love to incorporate into my stencil stash a little bit of pattern. I have a lot of pattern, let's be honest here. Sometimes you find patterns like these and you're like, well, what would I do with them? I'm gonna use this one today. Grab a Shabby chip brush, and for all the paint and supplies that I use here on my channel, you'll find it linked right below the video, or just hop on over to junkmonkeypaint.com. If you ever want to recreate this look and your piece doesn't come in black, then you know what? Just grab some black velvet, splash it on over, and then pick up the next step at the point that I'm about to start. All right, so let's go ahead and put our stencil in place right there. Grab a little bit of paint to put on our brush. Less is more, and our paints are definitely made for those of you who love to stencil. Because I'm Stencil Sonia. All right, let's shake that Shabby chip brush all over. Not trying to get it perfect, because we are not about perfect on this channel. We are about embracing the character, the hand-painted goodness of what you're doing. And with a Shabby chip brush, it just gives me that really nice distressed finish. Boom. Done. Look at that, top and bottom. Next up, just bend your stencil to kind of get it to touch the sides. At the end of the day, I'm just going to connect the two parts that I just stenciled. I'm going to add a little bit more just to get it closer down here to the center part here. It's going to do the same in here. It's just going to look like a distressed pattern all over, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Aren't they beautiful? Now let's go ahead and add a little bit more of that Mocha Madness. You'll see that I don't put a whole lot on my brush when I dry brush. In fact, I like to offload. This is the same sort of thing that happens when we paint dark furniture light. All of a sudden, we feel like the room is not completely filled. Shabby chic, that pastel, a lot of times you think of when you think of shabby chic. Instead of one flat black look, now we gave them pattern and just that texture, and all that beautiful detail just came to life. I'm gonna go ahead and grab for my paint as well. This is our paint and sealer all-in-one paint. He is the junk monkey that's got big shiny dreams for him and for your furniture. I can go ahead and do a dry brush all over and give it a little bit of a bling bling touch, but also at the same time give it a nice seal. You can see champagne, you can see the black, you can see the Mocha Madness. These are totally ready for a new home. Look how beautiful and fabulous they came out. Thank you for hanging out with me. Hopefully you've gotten lots of inspiration and you've got ideas. Tell me below, what is the project that you're currently working on, or the project that you have coming up next, because I know you found some good junk and I want to hear about it. Good friends share their junk with each other and tell each other what they're working on. You know that, right? If you've had a great time watching today, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell. What it does is it notifies you every single time I do another upload, which is daily, and I'll be back again tomorrow with a whole new flip. Bye!